In this video, I will show you how to download and install TiviMate on your Chromecast with Google TV. Now, over here, I have my Chromecast with Google TV connected to my TV. And to get the TiviMate IPTV player app running on my Chromecast, basically, first thing you want to do is to make sure that your Chromecast with Google TV is connected to the internet. You can go ahead and connect it to your home Wi-Fi or your mobile phone hotspot. And once that is done, you just want to scroll over to the app section at the top of your Chromecast with Google TV. So just navigate to this app section and then scroll down until you get to this input field over here. Go ahead and select this input field. And then from here, you want to type TiviMate. So just go ahead and type TiviMate. In case you do not know, the TiviMate IPTV player app is already available on the Google Play Store of your Android and Google TV. So there is basically no need for you to start sideloading the app into the TV. And once you're done typing TiviMate, just come down here and click on this search icon at the bottom. And automatically, this search input field will search the Google Play Store and give us results for TiviMate from the Google Play Store. Now you can literally see the TiviMate IPTV player app over here. Another way you can actually find the app is to come over to the home of your Chromecast with Google TV and then just use the voice command button over here to say open Google Play Store. Now this will automatically open up the Google Play Store app on your Chromecast with Google TV, so you can now search for the TiviMate IPTV player app directly from the Google Play Store. So you can come over to this search icon at the top and then go ahead and search for TiviMate inside of this input field. Now you can literally see the app over here, so I'll go ahead and just select it directly from here. Now what you just want to do is to click on the install button, then give your Chromecast with Google TV some few seconds to now download and install the TiviMate IPTV player app into the device. And once the app is done downloading and installing, you can go ahead and open it up by just clicking on the open button over here. Now click on the settings option over here and then you're going to get a permission. Go ahead and enable this permission for the TiviMate IPTV player app so that you can properly use the app on your Chromecast with Google TV. Once you're done, you can go back to your app and now you can now proceed to enter your playlist and start enjoying the TiviMate IPTV player app on your Chromecast with Google TV. Now if you come over to the home of our Chromecast with Google TV now, you can now find the TiviMate IPTV player app as one of the apps on the TV. So come over to the app section and you can literally see the TiviMate IPTV player app over here. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.